Hey Nash, what should we make?
We are trying to be healthy, and I heard lentils are healthy, but we never use them. Let's try making a red lentil coconut dal.
All right, let's make a red lentil coconut dal. Today, we're making red lentil coconut dal. It's an Indian dish. I've never made it. I don't think I've ever had it, but I've been watching a lot of Liam's videos at the Plant Slant, and he gives awesome and realistic advice, and he roasts people who give unrealistic advice. Anyways, been really enjoying his videos, so go check out his channel.
Lentils, another fantastic legume. Red, green, black, doesn't matter.
But he's always talking about one of his favorite dishes being red lentil coconut dal. So I was like, hey, I'm losing weight, trying to be healthy, so let's try it. So anyways, we're gonna make red lentil coconut dal. Without further ado, let's go. First thing we're gonna do is dice an onion. To a nice large pan that's pretty deep, a little bit of oil on medium heat. Once it gets nice and hot, we toss in our onion. We just wanna cook this till the onion starts to soften, probably 2 to 3 minutes. And once our onions are softened, make a little landing spot, add a little bit more oil. Then we add about a tablespoon of minced garlic, tablespoon of minced ginger. Let that cook until fragrant, about 45 seconds. And then we stir that through. And then we add a teaspoon each of sweet paprika, turmeric, cumin, garam masala. I'm probably saying that wrong, my apologies. Stir this in. And then we add a cup and a half of dried red lentils that I rinsed, 1 cup of coconut milk, 3 cups of vegetable broth, a pinch of salt, pepper, half a can of diced tomatoes, whoops, make a mess, and a tablespoon of sugar. And then we stir this through. Once we have a simmer, give it a stir, and then stirring occasionally, we let this simmer for about 20 minutes until the lentils have softened. As soon as your 20 minutes are up and your lentils are nice and softened and obviously have expanded, put in 2 cups of baby spinach and stir that in. And as soon as your spinach is wilted, then we kill the heat and let it cool. And then once it's cooled a little bit, we spoon this into a bowl. And then for garnish, we just swirl in a little bit of yogurt, squeeze a little bit of lemon juice on there. We would use some roti bread. And I'll be honest, I don't actually know what that is. I'd have to look it up. Or you can tell me all about it in the comments if you're someone who knows. And then I guess you could use naan. All I had was pita. So I'm just gonna put in a little piece of pita there, some fried shallots. But all I have is fried onions. So we're gonna go with crispy fried onions and some coriander leaves, also known as cilantro. And there we have our red lentil coconut dal. Time for a bite. So we'll take a little bit here. Let me see, what do I want? That part looks good. Cheers. That's really good. And you know me, I'm not much of a vegetarian, but I know lentils are healthy. It's a healthy dish. And just because you're not a vegetarian doesn't mean you can't put more plant-based stuff in your diet, right? It's good for you. Fiber, protein, stuff. Yeah, I don't know. It's got a ton of depth of flavor. It's savory, it's sweet. It just hits you with a ton of flavor. And then some of those additions give it a nice texture, like the fried onions, and you don't need to put those on. It's just really good. I know lentils are good. You know, I've had like lentil soup, but I haven't really played around much with lentils, but I'm gonna start doing more because it was really good. So hey, and you know what? Super easy and cheap to make. So I recommend go make it. Go make it. And thank you, Liam, at the Plant Slant for giving me the idea. I'm gonna eat more of this. This is delicious. And when you make it, you make a bunch. So if it's just for you and you're just feeding you, you got meal prep for at least a few meals. Easy, cheap, healthy, delicious. So go make it. But hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, how you doing?
I'm feeling good, and I know that one of these days I'll catch those birds.
Check it out. We got this red lentil coconut dal you wanted. And of course we made you a dog-friendly version. So here you go. What do you think?
Wow, I'll be honest. I wasn't expecting much from rabbit food and tiny legumes, but this is delicious. So much flavor, and it's healthy. More, please.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
A person who never made a mistake, never tried anything new.
Nash approves. I approve. This is an awesome dish. I would definitely eat this like regularly. And it's, like I said, it's healthy. It's super easy. It's cheap. Thank you again, Liam at the Plant Slant, for giving me the idea. Because I probably never would have, I didn't even know what dal was. I know like lentil dishes. I know it's, I'm pretty sure it's an Indian dish. But either way, it's delicious. And if you have tips on how to make it better or what I did wrong, let me know. I'm open to criticism. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you all. Love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, share, and subscribe, that would mean a lot. It'd help us out. If you want notifications every time we drop a new video, go ahead and hit that notification bell. If there's anything you want me to cook, you want me and Nash to taste, drop that down in the comments or head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com. Send us a message there. And hey, just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, peace.